Hi, I'm Adam Ashley and I'm the founder of Goodtimer. My wife and I are blessed with two amazing boys, and right around the time we started potty training, we struggled to manage the temper tantrums and defiant behaviors that often a lot of parents experience, and it was a real challenge for us. That's when we started working on Goodtimer. So we had this idea that encouraged good behavior in a way that was opposite to timeouts punishing bad behavior. We wanted it to be really exciting for kids, full of technology, wanted it to light up and glow, letting them know that they're earning good time, encouraging them to make good choices. After we had a concept design, we started building the very first Goodtimers, and we started testing those Goodtimers with our own kids. We kept what worked and changed what didn't, improving with each iteration, and eventually we started testing those Goodtimers with other families that were having problems with their behavior.
Trying Goodtimer was definitely a positive experience for us.
My husband complains that I'm constantly yelling at our kids, and I have to admit that there are some days that are emotionally trying. The Goodtimer has definitely helped with that dynamic.
I think that definitely helped hold them accountable.
It gave them motivation and excited them to want to behave well.
Time is so important to families. A lot of parents who have been using Goodtimer have said that instead of spending a lot of time yelling at their kids or punishing them or putting them in timeout, they're spending more time connecting with their family. They get to eliminate that feeling of guilt that often occurs when you punish your kids a lot, allowing them to feel more connected and have a better family experience. The goal of Goodtimer is for your child to earn good time by making good choices. First, it's your job as their parents to establish the house rules. Then, Goodtimer provides positive reinforcement to encourage your children to behave. Goodtimer displays your child's performance on a display simple enough for a 3-year-old to understand. Each Goodtimer includes a children's book that introduces your family to Goodtimer. Our one-step setup process allows you to start seeing results right away. To begin using Goodtimer, your child may simply turn it right side up. It's that simple. When your child earns enough good time, Goodtimer dispenses tokens, and those tokens they can exchange for the things that they're really excited about. In our family, we set it up so that our kids can exchange 5 tokens to choose which movie we watch on family movie night. Inevitably, your children are going to misbehave. For example, if your kids are fighting over a toy and one of your children hits the other child, that's an opportunity for you to use Goodtimer as a discipline tool. So it would be appropriate for you to tell your child to go ahead and turn off their Goodtimer, and that deactivates good time. And that's an opportunity for you to sit down with your child and teach them other behaviors that are appropriate that don't involve violence towards their sibling. Then, once your child demonstrates improved behavior, they can reactivate Goodtimer. As parents ourselves, product safety is paramount. It's the most important thing. So we're working with our designers, our engineers, and our manufacturing partners to make sure Goodtimer complies with all consumer product safety requirements. Early on, when we started developing Goodtimer, we knew that we wanted to partner with parenting experts, and that's when we met Jackie Insinger.
When our kids misbehave, it's very common for us to turn to yelling, timeouts, and other punishments. However, research has proven that negative reinforcement only works in the short term. When punished, a child often gets defensive or angry, and they go right into a fight or flight mindset, which actually shuts down the part of the brain where learning occurs. If we truly want to teach our children how to change their behavior, we need to use positive reinforcement.
We've been working on Goodtimer for more than 2 years, but we need your help to make Goodtimer a reality. Please support us by purchasing a Goodtimer on our Kickstarter campaign. Funds from our Kickstarter campaign will be used to produce the very first Goodtimer production units. Please try Goodtimer for 30 days, and if you're not completely satisfied for any reason, send it back for a full refund. Purchase Goodtimers for your kids, your nephew, your grandson, or any other kid that misbehaves, and join us on our journey. Thank you.